Removing an old toilet might sound intimidating, but it's actually a simple project most homeowners can handle in under an hour. This is the trade table, where home improvement meets smart design. Today we'll show you exactly how to remove a toilet safely and cleanly, step by step. Step 1. Gather your supplies. You'll need an adjustable wrench, a sponge or towel, a bucket, a putty knife, and gloves. Step 2. Turn off the water supply. Locate the shutoff valve near the base of the toilet and turn it clockwise to stop the water flow. Flush the toilet to empty the tank and bowl. Use a sponge or towel to remove any remaining water. Step 3. Disconnect the supply line. Unscrew the supply line from both the shutoff valve and the bottom of the tank. Keep your bucket nearby to catch any drips. Step 4. Remove the tank. Use a wrench to loosen the nuts under the tank. Once they're off, carefully lift the tank straight up and set it aside on a towel or cardboard to avoid scratches. Step 5. Unbolt and remove the bowl. Pry off the bolt caps at the toilet base, then remove the nuts and washers. Gently rock the toilet side to side to break the wax seal. Once loose, lift the bowl and move it aside. Step 6. Remove the wax ring and clean the flange. Use a putty knife to scrape off the old wax ring and clean the area with a stiff brush. Stuff a rag into the drain opening and cover it with a small bucket to block sewer gases. And that's it. Your old toilet is out, and the space is ready for a new installation. Professional-grade toilets, plumbing tools, and installation, your trusted source for smarter home upgrades.